guys? Welcome to the channel. Today we're going over something very cool that I personally bought on Amazon. Why? Because I am sick of getting nuts and bolts and trying to feed them in.
Nuts or nuts and bolts?
Did I say nuts and bolts?
I thought you did, but maybe.
No, you know when you get a nut and bolt though, and you try to put it in somewhere, and like all of a sudden you're like, oh, it fits, and then it gets like down a little ways, and then it doesn't. You're like, ooh, is it just dirty? Is the threads, or does it not fit? So you really need to know sizes, or let's say you have something and you need to go to Depot to get it. Like, what size do I get? So
that's huge right there in the whole house project. That happened a bunch of times.
Yeah, and they have that thing on the wall where you stick it in and do that.
You did, yep.
Well, I've got one for the house. Check this out, you guys. Comes in two different styles. That the black one is the metric, and this is the standard. And basically, what it is, it's called the thread checker. The original thread checker.
And where do you get them?
I got them on Amazon. We'll post the link below, you guys. Basically, how they work is one of them has a screw in it. Where's the screw?
Came out.
Okay, so Eric's gonna put the screw in. He's gonna tell me exactly what that is now. How do you know it's metric?
I don't. I'm just
Actually,
checking.
it is because I did check it earlier. I went with this first. So he just found out what it is, and what is it?
M6. I can't read it.
No, M6 1.0.
1.0.
M6-1.0. So you know now. All you gotta do, you go to Amazon, wherever you order your nuts and bolts from. M6 1.0. It fits. You rotate it to the other side, and you also have the nut. Yeah, the nut part of it. I've used this many times already on the Jeep project, you guys, and it's coming quite handy. It's kind of a weird system, you know. I mean, it's just a bunch of them on here. I mean, I would be definitely upset if this thing broke and they all flew off.
No, but actually, it is good for automotive. Like when you're taking things out or whatever, and if you end up stripping, you're like, oh, you know, I need that exact one.
Right.
Boom. Go on there.
So you don't strip. And I mean, this one goes all the way up to 1-6.
This is M24-3.
112. So it's going to give you the exact thread type also. So you're going to know if it's a metric, if it's a standard, whatever.
I think it's pretty cool.
Yeah, I was using it for the lug nuts on the Jeep. $50, I believe I got this for both of them. 50, 57 bucks, something like that. We'll comment below and just definitely let you know on that. Short video this time, you guys, but then again, there's not much to talk about these. What do you guys think though? Would you recommend these? I know if you go on Amazon for thread checkers, they do have a ton. They do have the kind that go on the wall that you stick it in. But honestly, I like this better because I can take this to the work.
Exactly.
So it's like, you know, I'm changing the lugs on your truck. Oh, you know, we lost the lug nut or we got a stripped lug nut. I can just go on and twist this on. Oh, Eric, you're a, you know, 10-20, whatever the numbers are on it.
I own a Ford, so it's plastic anyways. You know.
Honestly, you guys, I was clueless about bolt sizes before this. You know, I mean, I'm still kind of rough. You know, like this is a 5.8-11. I don't know. I think the -11 is the thread. I don't know. All I know is that this is going to give me the exact number, and I'm able to just go get the right bolt right away. It saves me time. It saves me money, and I definitely recommend the thread checker below.
Sweet, man.
Cool. What do you think?
Pretty cool find. I never even knew they had something like this. I always thought I just had to go to Home Depot or one of those box stores and check it. You know?
Yeah, whoever invented it is pretty cool. I just hang it on my thing. So far, it's been really good at everything. But obviously, you can strip these two also. So don't start, if it doesn't go in, don't start forcing it. You always want a thread cleaner or something like that to use before you go into something like that. But check it out, you guys. Don't forget to click the ding dong bell over there so you can subscribe.
I actually doubt this will break. I mean, that's metal wire that's on there, dude.
Yeah, but you never know. I mean, one day I might pick it up and all of a sudden, they all go flying off.
Yeah,
that would suck.
That'd be funny.
But if it does, I'm going to video it. And Eric likes to play with them.
Yeah, it's pretty wild, man.
Yeah, it's pretty cool stuff, you guys. Let us know what you guys think. #GI Crew. Don't forget to go over to Instagram so all the cool stuff happens. Peace.
Remember, for more exciting tool action, go to toolsinaction.com.